We are discussing question number 9 from exercise number 2.4. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Here 5 years from now, 10 years ago, nothing was given. So that means both the conditions. First condition is grandfather age is 10 times of his granddaughter's age. And grandfather, he refers to grandfather. Grandfather is also 54 years older than her. Her refers to granddaughter only. So both the conditions are related to present age only. So there is no word mentioned 10 years ago, 5 years from now, after 5 years, like that. No word is mentioned. That means this condition also related to present age and this condition also related to present age. From the first line, present age of grandfather is depending upon older than his grandfather. So granddaughter. So granddaughter, if you know, by multiplying with 10 times means by multiplying with 10 you will get grandfather age. Now in the second condition also, grandfather age, if you wanted to know, 54 years older than her. Her refers to granddaughter. So granddaughter age plus 54 will give the grandfather age. So these both the conditions are related to present ages only. But you see the first line, grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. When you are talking about the grandfather age, so when we are telling the grandfather age, we are depending upon granddaughter's age only. So if you wanted to know, grandfather age is 10 times of granddaughter's age, and here also grandfather age is 54 years older than her. We are depending upon granddaughter's age. So that is why on whom we are depending, that person age we will assume as X only. So in question they are asking present age only. So let the present age of granddaughter is equal to X years we will assume. Now given that grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter, it was given in the first condition, that only we are copying. Grandfather, so grandfather's present age is refers to equal to 10 times means 10 into older than his granddaughter. That means granddaughter age, if you present age, X means 10 times. 10 into X, that is 10X. So grandfather's present age is 10X as per the first condition. Now second condition, he is also 54 years older than her. Also given that grandfather is 54 years older than granddaughter. So grandfather's present age. So grandfather age means grandfather's present age is means equals to 54 years older means 54 years extra than whom? Granddaughter. Granddaughter age is X. So present age only. So present age, granddaughter age plus extra how much? 54 years older. 54 years means, so granddaughter age plus 54 years will be equal to grandfather's present age. Now you observe this first condition as well as second condition. This also represent present age of grandfather. This line also tells about present age of grandfather. So here it is also in terms of X. This is also in terms of X. We expressed grandfather's age in two different ways. But even though this is also grandfather age and this is also grandfather age only. So that is why we can equate both from equations 1 and 2. That means these two are not different. These two are equal only. These two are same. Reason, these two represent the present age of grandfather only. So from equations 1 and 2, you can equate 10x and x plus 54. So 10x equal to x plus 54. This 1x, if you transpose to left hand side, it will become as this plus x. There is no sign, that means positive only. If plus x comes to this side, minus x. So 10x, so this 10x minus x is equal to 54. 10 minus 1, 10x minus 1x is nothing but 10 minus 1, that is 9x is equal to 54. 9x is nothing but 9 into x. 9 is multiplying, it will goes to this side, it will divides 54. So x equal to 54 by 9. 9 one time, 9 6 times, 6 by 1 is nothing but 6. So x equal to 6. In the first line, we assumed what is X? Present age of granddaughter. In question they are asking present age of granddaughter as well as grandfather. So if you know X value, automatically present age of granddaughter, we got it. Present age of granddaughter we represented as X, but X value is 6, so 6 years. Present age of grandfather, you can take this condition, otherwise you can take this condition, that is your wish. I am selecting 10x, so present age of grandfather is equal to 10x, that is 10 into 6. 10x means 10 into x value 6, 10 into 6 is 60 years. Suppose if you select x plus 54, then also you will get 60 only. X value is what? 6. So 6 plus 54 automatically 60. So we can end up our calculation with this. If you wanted to check also, you can check it. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So you can see that 6 into 60. So 60 is 10 times of 6 only. So that is why granddaughter age 10 times only will give the grandfather's age. Next, he is also 54 years older than her. So 60 is how much more? 54 more than 6. So grandfather is 54 years older than granddaughter. So two conditions are satisfied.